Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to use clear screen command in Microsoft Windows command line. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you are new with my channel, please hit the like button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified on newly uploaded video of mine in my channel. Share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started, guys. So we have here in the command prompt, so let us learn what is a clear screen command. So in Microsoft Windows, in DOS command or this operating system, you can issue a command cls /?. The slash means option, question mark is a wildcard to display what is the purpose of this command. Press the enter key, clears the screen. Now what is the application of this command? Let's say for example we issue this command dir/w. So there are so many files here, so many files and folders as we can see here. So by simply issuing the command cls enter key, it will clear up. Another example, in DOS, whether you issue this capital C, small letter L and capital S, it will still the same. It is not case sensitive compared to Linux or Mac OS command line. So that's it. That's very simple. cls, clear the screen. cls /?. So this is the end of our very short tutorial video on how to use the cls command or clear the screen command in Microsoft Windows operating system command line. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. This is your friend from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada says, until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.